Hey, it's Jonathan. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this video finds you in good fortune. If you like to buy the bottom, sell the top, make money in the middle, make sure you give me a like, subscribe, all that kind of good stuff. Check out my new Rumble channel, everything, all that stuff. I appreciate it. Anyway, okay, so look, we're going to take a look at Bitcoin today. Bitcoin, we've had a little pullback. Everybody's saying it's the end of the world, but um, I don't think it is the end of the world. Let's check it out on a higher time frame where we're at. You see we've had these moves up. We've been working up this ascending channel here, and we're working up a little bit of a steeper one on a lower time frame. We've pulled back nicely to this bottom ascending channel here. I thought we'd probably hit the top of our the triangle that we had just broke out of. We still haven't gone back that far. We may still go back that far. We have room to come down, come back just a little bit. But I did want to show you how much upside potential we have. Compared to the downside potential, if we would break out of this, I would anticipate that we'd move back down to this bottom um, ascending channel in our relative strength, which would probably, I just want us to see us make it back to the bottom of this ascending channel before we broke our area of capitulation that we drew on here about a month or so ago. Before we broke that, if we would do that, I'd still think we'd have some upside on this, although I'm pretty sure we're going to have a reversal here and turn back up to the upside. At least that's what it looks like. I think the percentage is higher that we go higher than low. Then we go back down. Okay, look, that's enough for the weekly. Let's go down to the daily. On our daily time frame, we're seeing we're having a little bounce. We did have last time I was looking at this, we were looking at this triangle here in our relative strength. We had a breakout of it. We came back down, bounced around, and broke through the bottom. This is our area of capitulation, and I believe that that's probably why we broke through our area of capitulation, is because we had a failure in the relative strength right here. Although we are tracing this ascending channel right here. This is ascending trend line right here, and we've had a bounce, so we could move up off of this. In fact, it's looking very promising. If for some reason we wouldn't, then my target would be down here again. We may see a bounce up and then a move lower to this area, which wouldn't disturb me as long as we didn't break this area. Our relative strength would be well in the oversold area by the time we got down here, if that would happen. So I'd definitely be a buyer down here. In fact, I'm a buyer at this point. All right, let's go down to the hourly. Check out the hourly, see where we're at. We've seen some signs of consolidation and reversal on this. Right now we're sitting right at our area of capitulation, which is right here. This is our area of capitulation. So I want to see a break through this area, and it's looking promising. We might get a little rejection and then have a little pullback. We still have room to grow in our relative strength. Back on the daily chart, I want to show you this. I actually saw this earlier. Back on our daily chart, since we broke out of that triangle, back on our daily chart, I'm tracking this now. Actually, we can probably pull it all the way back to here or so. So this is an old trend line here in our relative strength, and I think there's a really good chance that we'll probably have a reversal and start moving back up at this point. And like I said, in fact, I'm a buyer at this point. So anyway, that's where we're at. That's what I'm looking at. I'm thinking that we're probably going to move up from this. If we do move down, I'm not too worried about it. I am a buyer at this point. If I have a little drawdown before we start moving back up, then that's fine with me. I'm not concerned. But so I'm buying at this point. I'm adding to my position for that next move higher. And again, I think that we have a lot of room on the daily, and we have a whole lot of room on the weekly. So, and this would be a very nice move from where we're sitting right now at our highs. This would be a very nice move up. So, okay, well, I hope your trading's going well. All that kind of good stuff. Thanks for joining me. Y'all are beautiful, and I will see you next time.